What's up YouTube, my name is Galen and this is Galen's Gadgets. I want to thank you so much for joining my channel today. As you can see, today I picked up a case for my Google Pixel 4a 5G. I definitely love the design on this phone. This is definitely the perfect size for a smartphone in my opinion. It's very easy to hold, but still I'm a huge believer in you got to protect your investment, so decided to pick up a case. It does feel like really nice in the hand and everything. I don't think it will scratch easily, but it is a fingerprint magnet, as you can see when the light hits it in certain angles. This matte plastic back definitely takes fingerprints really easily. It grabs oils off of your hand basically. So yeah, I decided to pick up this Caseology Parallax case. This is my first ever Caseology case, so let's see how it goes. Again, this is the Parallax, as you can see, for the Pixel 4a 5G. I chose the navy blue color, and that's basically all you get on the box. A little bit of Caseology branding on that side, and then nothing really on the back but legal information. So I'm gonna unbox this now. Just get straight to it. Okay, let me throw this stuff to the side. We get a little manual, it looks like. Okay, what does that say? Okay, you get caseologycases.com, little Caseology logo. Welcome to the club, we're happy to have you. It says thank you for trusting us. You can make a difference. They want you to provide some feedback. And then if you're not happy, you can contact that email, and then all of their socials are also on this feedback option. So doesn't look like it's any warranty information here. That could be a deal breaker for some people, but not me. Okay, so here's the actual case, and right off the bat, I really love how this case feels. The texture, it's like a honeycomb type texture, as you can see, the honeycomb design, but you can literally feel like every single one of those grooves. So it's a very intricate feeling case. I really like that about it. There's your spot for the camera and the fingerprint sensor on the back. There's also a gold trim, which I think is really nice. It looks like this is a bracket, and then the perimeter is also trimmed in gold. Oh, that's really cool how the bottom, you get the blue. Does it do the same at the top? No. It looks like it's just a little bit of blue at the bottom for the TPU type material on the inside. So it looks like it's kind of like a two-part case. It's more like a hybrid case. So yeah, that's really nice. You get some shock absorption on the inside. Now let's see how it actually feels with my Pixel in it. Okay, that's a really tight fit. Okay, that's gonna be the hardest part about this case, is getting it on. It's a really tight fit, but overall this feels amazing to hold. It makes the Pixel just feel like even more nice to hold in the hand. And that's really nice. Let's see how the buttons feel. Okay, so the clickiness of the Pixel 4a definitely leaves when you have this case on, so that's a big deal for you, then don't get this case, because it definitely takes away like the clickiness, but that isn't a huge deal to me. It's definitely not as tactile, but it's not really mushy. It's like in between, like right in between like the mushy and tactile feel. Same thing with the volume buttons. It like completely takes away the click sound. You could definitely like hear the click without the case on. There you get your 3.5mm headphone jack, your microphone spot, your USB Type-C, and your speaker grill, so it looks like all of the ports are accurate and everything. So yeah, I'm really loving this case. Let's see how good the fingerprint sensor is. Works like a charm. This does not offer wireless charging or anything, so you don't have to test that. So yeah, this Caseology Parallax, this might be one of my new favorite cases just because of that texture. Really like how that honeycomb design feels on the back. It looks really nice overall. That navy blue to gold is just a really good color. It looks really classy in my opinion and stylish. So yeah, if you have any other questions about this case, please let me know in the comments.
want enemies.